Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming root is functional and Zarchiver is allowed root access by your superuser manager. Open Magisk or your Su app, then grant Zarchiver temporary root when prompted. This lets the app see system folders. Once done, enable USB debugging and make a backup of important files to SD or cloud because you will change permissions and owner attributes. Make sure to note the path you will work on. It avoids mistakes and speeds up the next steps. You now change ownership and permissions so Zarchiver can access archives. Open a root shell via ADB or terminal emulator. Navigate to the folder. Run chown to set correct owner, for example chown root on system files, and use chmod 0755 for directories and 0644 for regular files so the app can list and open them. If the partition is read-only, remount at read-write first. For example, mount o remount rw/system. Finish by restarting Zarchiver and triggering a fresh root grant. This verifies the permission changes worked. If you still get access denied, inspect superuser logs and check SE Linux state, temporarily set enforce 0 to test, because SE Linux can block access even with correct perms. Once confirmed, restore enforcing. If something goes wrong, restore your backed up files and permissions immediately. Keeping a rollback plan avoids bricking apps. Remember, small, reversible steps prevent larger recovery work.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.